Show me the easiest trading strategy and tell me where I can learn how to use it. No problem. All right, we have a $9,000 trade. All we're doing is looking for where price broke the structure, came back up to that same zone. Now, there is a little bit more to this, such as fair value gaps and all that kind of stuff. We're going to talk about that in a different video, all right? And you can see that we have our fair value gap right here. Let's draw it out while we are at it. All right, so our rectangle, we're going to pull this down to right here. So you're going to experience rejection literally right here. And we're just going to wait for this to play out. We have 7 seconds left. And we got all of them. So we are now at 402,239. Let's go look for one more. And I'm just looking for one more. Now, this actually is not what I was looking for, but I do see a trade here. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And I'm going to explain why. All right. That was 5,760. So the reason that I traded here is because you can see that our we have an updated local low. We have multiple rejections off the same zone, and we also have a it was just, I already knew it was going to reject here and continue to do so. So let's just go find one more. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, I do have a paid mentorship. I also have 2 paid groups, including a live trading room where you can trade live with me, copy trading, live classes, all that kind of great stuff. Or you can just learn some of these concepts for free on my Discord channel. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, all the great stuff. And you can also visit me on my other channels, such as TikTok. All the links are down in the description.